In order to do that, we need to bring back temporarily show our pop-up menu layer. So we'll bring the Layers panel back to the forefront, temporarily show the pop-up menu, and this time we're going to add the Show Hide Layer behavior to the image, the pop-up menu image itself inside of the pop-up menu layer. Select the pop-up menu image, go back to your Behaviors panel, and choose, once again, Show Hide Layers. This time, we'll choose the pop-up layer again, but choose the Hide option. Now, all we need to do when we click OK is change what's called the mouse event for this image. The mouse event we'll change this to is called On Mouse Out, which means when somebody mouses away or outside of this layer, we're going to hide this layer once again. So finally, we'll select the layer, the pop-up layer, bring back our Layers panel and make sure we hide that layer again. Go back to our original image on the Breaking News layer and make sure we have the right mouse event chosen for that image as well. Do you want your visitor to have to press their mouse down on this button in order for the pop-up menu to appear? If not, choose the mouse event, and this time I'm going to choose On Mouse Over. Now, to see our pop-up menu in action, we'll go up to our toolbar, click the globe icon, and preview in a browser. Now, I position my mouse over the Breaking News button. Great. If I'm interested in any of these links, remember I could set up an image map here linking to all the individual labels on my menu, but if I'm not interested in the menu, as soon as I mouse away, the menu disappears. Dreamweaver, as you can see, will allow us to easily create a pop-up menu as well, as long as we work with layers, images, and the Show Hide Layer behavior.